Alright, we got a bird in the house. We're trying to get him out. He's a killer. He's about 10 feet long.
Oh, he's flying around the kitchen mad fast. Through the fireplace.
Oh god.
We're sitting here. He's in the dishes. Oh, he's getting snuffed.
He's behind the dish.
I lost the visual. Ah! Ah!
Alright,
Oh!
I'm trying to get it out. Alright, bye.
Alright, yeah, we're not freaking out now. We're good.
He thinks he's got like stealth pro on.
He's scared.
I'm gonna try and grab him.
No.
I bet you'll bite it.
Dude, they literally will bite you. They'll peck at you.
I'll fuck it up. Is there a way I can make some sort of nifty trap?
Oh.
What? What?
Yo, Jimmy, record this right here. Go ahead.
I'm recording you right now.
You don't see the shit, man.
Yeah, it smells like asshole.
Oh!
I got it. Let's go, bitch.
Alright.
You gonna catch him in that?
I'll catch him. Let's go. Jimmy, record this, right?
I'm recording right now.
Just come here and get it.
You take the camera. Take the camera.
Come here, dude. You gotta see it.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
He's right behind the Keurig.
Yo, let's go, bitch. Come out.
Yeah, ready? I'm going in for the kill.
Oh god. Wait, hang.
Like I'm an asshole.
You are an asshole. No, I'm just kidding. He didn't move. He didn't move.
Do it again. Do it again.
You do it, you
No.
fucker.
I'm just a cameraman. I can't do anything.
Oh.
Nothing.
That's the last hope.
Water bottle.
Shit, here we go.
Oh! Oh!
Where the fuck did it go?
It's over there! Oh god.
Where?
He's gonna kill us all. Oh man.
Did he go upstairs?
I don't know where he is now. He was flying into that window last. Oh god. Oh god.
Right.
Check in the living room.
Wait.
Oh god.
He's in here, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Top your trap.
Where's he at? Where's he at?
Out the door, fucker!
How does this door open? Open up that door. Open up the door. He's up there. Oh shit. Oh god. Oh god. Don't kill me.
Alright, you wanna play on the fucking fan?
Oh god.
I'll turn that shit on.
Do it, dude.
No, don't chop him to bits and pieces.
Just turn it on, dude. We do it all the time. It just.
Dan, he's gonna come this way. He's gonna
Dude,
come
but
this
our
way.
shit, our
It's on
fan, no, our fan fucking was going. That shit flew into it. It cracked in the back of the head and dazed
I don't want to kill it.
Turn it on.
Oh god.
Oh, dude, you're gonna fuck it up. Just keep it on so it flies into it. You get fucked up.
Oh shit.
No, dude, keep the shit on.
No, I just turned it on for a second and turned it off.
Turn it back on so that fucking
He's
gets
gotta
fucked
come out
up.
the fucking door.
No, we could daze his ass and then get his ass out that way. We'll throw him on the fucking floor. Turn the shit on.
He just flew right into the window.
Just
He's
turn it
trying
on,
to get
dude.
out.
Hey, asshole, the door's over here.
Let's scare him this way. Let's scare him this way. Go around the other way. Go around the other way. Bring him this way. This way. This way. Oh god.
Open that door.
Does it say open?
No, you gotta manually keep it open.
Hold it, hold it. Fuck, you threw another glass.
Give me the vacuum right there.
Dude, turn the fucking thing on and keep it on, please. Turn it on, keep it on. Hey, it's on, dude. You gotta make it full speed so he fucks his ass up.
Oh god. Oh god.
What the fuck? Where is it?
Ah! Oh, it's back over there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god.
Right at me.
Oh my god.
That fucking piece of shit, dude.
Alright.